Welcome back, guys. Bill with PatioKidsDirect.com. So in the previous video, we saw some roller shades, electric roller shades being installed. So you might have a cover that's already built. Maybe you haven't yet, but we're so excited about this new product that we're going to go on site, and we're going to show you a little bit more of the build application and how these could add so much value to your house. In this example, we only did the front. On site, what we're going to do is do the two sides and close this whole thing in and really make it a life room if you think about it. So super excited about this project again. We'll see you out on site. All right, guys, so you just saw in the previous video how easy these can be installed and what kind of value it brings to the overall patio cover outside. Whether you're putting in TVs or nice chairs and furniture out there, you could just see how these screens add so much more value, even like with privacy. You know, if you have some nosy neighbors, it's going to keep you out of that scope where they can see what's going on. Maybe having a little bit too much fun out in the patio cover, you could always drop the shades. It's none of their business. Anyways, we appreciate you guys visiting PatioKidsDirect.com and watching this build for these new electric shades. Thank you very much.